it is seen that the kids who spend more time outdoors, the progression of myopia is slightly less.
Yes, sir. Is sunglasses a relevant hardware for children?
Not necessarily, because we say on the plains there is hardly any bright sun, and we don't really go out too much. So I would say it is the lack of sun which is more of a problem than exposure to the sun. On the screen also, there are no really harmful radiation coming from the screen.
There isn't?
There isn't, And there's so much of a talk about blue light, but that is something which you can make an adjustment in the screen. You can turn it to a warm light, and yes, the blue light, in fact, all light can over a period of time add to some injury to the retina.
Okay.
And we call it photic damage. But that is the total amount of light going into the eye. And but it's not particularly blue light or wearing blue cut glasses will make much of a difference.
It doesn't.
There are only very, very few studies which say, okay, fine, they've got some additional harmful effect on the retina or on the macula.
Okay.
But no definitive thing. See, these things work more when, suppose you remove the natural lens of the eye, which has a filtering effect on the eye.
Right.
And then you plant an artificial lens. Then a more blue light going into the eye can be harmful. But not with the natural lens in the eye, with the natural lens of the eye. But having said that, yes, making your screen slightly warmer in color may be slightly beneficial.
Easier.
It
just feels easier on eye.
Putting glasses on the eye, say a plain glass, can decrease the tear evaporation from the eye. So that way it can be helpful. That may cause a little less drying of the eye. Again,
putting a layer,
glasses in front of the eye, can lead to reduce evaporation of tears. So it may cause a bit of a less of drying when you're working on the screen. Also blinking more frequently.
So why does that happen? The light coming from the screen
meets
the glass.
Our eyes are more open. When you're looking at the screen, we blink less frequently. So the tear evaporation increases. So having glass reduces the tear evaporation to some extent by minimizing the turbulence of air around the eyes. And also we should make a conscious effort to blink more frequently. So again, to decrease the tear evaporation, decrease dryness in the eyes.
Like intentionally blink
Intentionally blinking more frequently, taking the eyes off the screen, closing the eyes, giving rest to the eyes. These are all helpful measures. One can also use lubricant eye drops, but it's better to resort to natural measures rather than anything artificial.
So I was curious about the sunglasses. 100 रुपए के भी सनग्लास मिलते हैं और लाखों के भी मिलते हैं. जो 100 रुपए के मिलते हैं, क्या वो एक्चुअली सनग्लास होते हैं?
See, every glass has got some filtering properties. Like every glass you put in front of the eye does filter out some degree of say UV rays also, but not to great extent. The glasses which we got actual UV filter, they're more expensive also. They filter out UV rays to more great extent. But we are not exposed to UV rays in the plains. Right. So if we were to go to high altitude or exposed to the snow or to the beaches and the sea, where the UV radiation is slightly more intense, that's where we actually need the UV protected glasses.
Right.
But in the routine course of life on the plains, we don't really need much. We just need sunglasses to maybe soften the brightness of the sun and make it slightly easier for the eyes.
बस.
Yeah.
उतना ही है.
Yes, that is the all benefit. We don't need anything more than that. It's an overkill.
So does अगर किसी को पावर नहीं है और वो ऐसे 0 नंबर का चश्मा अगर पहन के स्क्रीन्स यूज करता है, is that helpful?
Very little. As I said that maybe the dryness is slightly less, but not much of a benefit.
So ये जो dryness less basically glass का यही मतलब हुआ कि वो एक बहुत direct light आपकी आंखों में नहीं जा रही है, एक layer है उस that takes
it's
the
plunge. It's not to do with the light so much. It's more to do with the evaporation and the turbulence around the eyes. So the tear evaporation is reduced. Yeah.
And that is tear retention हो जाएगा तो anyways the eyes are healthier. Okay. And आजकल vision impairments काफी ज़्यादा देखने को मिल गए हैं, like from a younger age to larger age, and I guess screen is one reason. Lifestyle.
It's only one of the factors, one of the small factors.
But not so much in detail. But अगर किसी को विजन लॉस हो जाए तो वो, और जब एकदम से हो जाए, बाय बर्थ नहीं है, तो अपने ऑफिस एंड होम एनवायरनमेंट में क्या कुछ चीजें हैं जो कर सकते हैं जिससे कि लाइफस्टाइल एकदम स्टॉप ना हो जाए उसका?
So when you say impairment, I think that you mean that wearing glasses and all. So,
या लाइक मतलब काफी हद तक कि दिखने में बहुत डिफिकल्टी हो गई है,
Mhm.
बहुत ही ज्यादा डिपेंडेंसी आ गई
So
है.
there of course you need to consult an eye specialist or an ophthalmologist to see that what is the cause of the decreased vision and get a proper treatment done for that. If it's only a matter of glasses, then wear the glasses. And to prevent, say excessive increase in the number, you can adopt a healthier lifestyle. Cut down the near vision time, cut down the screen time to what is possible, spend more time outdoors, lead an overall healthy life, and hope that the number will not increase too much. But the occurrence of refractive error and the progression of refractive error depends more on the heredity and less on the lifestyle. Lifestyle can cause discomfort to the eyes, can cause an artificial myopia or pseudomyopia, can cause pain, discomfort, headache, those kind of things. It does not directly lead to a refractive error.